Meghalaya Post.news.
Ka kunhon seng bhalang kabalarim ha ka jilla Meghalaya pat ha ka them Ribhoi district ka Ribhoi Youth Federation RBYF na Baridwa unit menta ka arpo praterik uyayong arajar apsan kalapan bana ban palat pajba no ya ka jingdi ya ka ticket nak benta ka lucky draw ha ka balapan bana ba ka kusnam ka bankong kalong san phaulak tingka ban bot pat sarki kusnam kali sau shaka bat ar shaka ka ban kunthop lang baro kindan kamba ar phautli ki kusnam ya kani kalau kidro balapan bana da ka RBYF Baridwa unit ke belak pelong da ka jingtmu bon yo pat ban kershan ya kito gilong yeng ki baduk bat ki basyam jingjinjar la kershan lang ru da ka kunhon divine social ke badi ka kunhon treman sungba ha ka than chatai la mingi ya kani ka jingpen bana pat ba ban pli ya ka jingdi ya ki tickets la pelong ha khana para ya ka bala wan ban pli du advisor ka RBYF Baridwa unit uba UNS Narling har ka jingdon lang president ka Baridwa unit uba B Manar ka dor jang ko ka ticket ka long sispa tingka ha ka baw nong job bankong on yo ra ya ka song pisa ka balong san pholak tingka ki babut pat kin yo ya ki kali sau shaka ba kunthop ya ka Thar ka Mahindra Bolero ka Maruti Ertiga Nexon Artli ki Swift Desire Artli ki Maruti Alto 800 bot sa ki thuk bat ki scooty ka tarik ban bana ya ka result jang ka ni ka lucky draw on pelong ha ka arpsan tarik ujamang ar hajar arpsan na ka benta ki jingtip ba company ki pai ba ki la bon phone ha ki ni ki number Khandai Lai Nriu San Not Nriu are not lie but Khandai Nyo not Nyo Lai Nyo Pra Nyo Lai
5th prize Tata Nexon, 6th prize Swift, 7th prize also Swift, 8th prize Alto, 9th prize Alto, 10th prize Alto, 11th prize Mahindra Trail, 12th prize Royal Enfield Hunter 350, 13th prize Yamaha R15 V4, 14th prize Yamaha MT15 V2, 15th prize Royal Enfield Hunter 350, 16th prize Yamaha FZ35, 17th prize Bajaj Pulsar, 18th prize Bajaj Pulsar, 19th prize Yamaha Ray ZR125 and the 20th prize is Yamaha Pasino 125. It means that if you get the chance to win any of these 20 positions, you can take a whole tour of Northeast India. It means if you
we are here to conduct this lucky draw. So it is a very happy moment for us that we get a chance to do this with the this Divine Social NGOs led by Sir Vivek Bukon and his team. So I thank them. Thank you very much for helping us to organize this program. So I request all who are present here to take part in this lucky draw. I'm very happy to announce that the first prize is 50 lakh cash. So kindly contest everybody so that you may be the luckiest one to get that 50 lakh. And after that, running with many cars, many beautiful cars. So all of you kindly take part. And all this program we are organizing in aid to help the poor, the villagers, all the needy or the neighbors, wherever any disaster came. We are almost ready to help the poor or the needy in our village, locality, in the state or in the neighboring state. So once again, I thank you all.
Meghalaya Post.news.